So we watched a lecture by Paul Bloom at Yale University called "This Is Your Brain," and today we are going to discuss and find out what's the main ideas and concepts explained by Paul Bloom in order to sum up and to explain to other people what we think about it. And Martin, could you please start?
Yeah, sure. So the lecture was called "This Is Your Brain," and the lecture started by presenting the astonishing hypothesis, which now I quote from Francis Crick, "You are nothing but a pack of neurons." This is the explanation that he gives, and he's a neuroscientist. So, what do you think about this? Do you think that we are nothing but a pack of neurons?
I don't think so, but how could you explain that, that, no, well, I don't agree, because we have an immaterial mind that is connected to our physical body, but what makes us is not just physical, it's something different. And how could you explain that we fall in love and we're conscious of ourselves? And well, which are the arguments that the lecturer
Yeah, but he talked about why the machines can play chess. I think that's because it's like our humans set up the procedure for the machine, and we are the one who improves the machine, and so we're not. It's not comparable between human and machine.
Yeah, but machines can solve mathematical problems or can play chess and everything. So how do you explain that they're able to reasoning?
Like that's machine is basically created by us, like human brain, and the machine can be broken just like this now. That like human we could improve the machine, and the machine couldn't improve by themselves.
Yeah, so that is a good argument for dualism, the fact that machines are now able to do more and more stuff. But dualism, well, it's a view that every religion has, but I think it has problems with itself. For example, the connection that the mind has to have with the body in order to be one single thing. We don't have any explanation to describe the connection between the mind and the body. So
yeah, but how do you explain that when we drink coffee or when we're drunk, we completely, we act differently than...
But it's just the result of chemical process in the brain. I think it's just that.
Yeah, that means maybe that we're just a pack of neurons.
Yeah, and I agree with the astonishing hypothesis. I really think that there is nothing else than our brain. I think that when we die, that's it. It's the end of the existence.
Well, about what you just said, he explained that an experience in USA proved that most of people believe that they can survive after death, and 96% of the people who were asked during this experience said that, yeah, after if I die, I'll go to heaven, and even if they're, despite the fact they have religion which is against this point of view. So I think that there is two different bodies and souls are separated, because if they say something which is against their religion, it's different.